Next trick I'm going to teach you is called slack trapeze. In yo-yoing, there's different styles of play when you see people on tricks. Some people will do more technically tricks, which we're going to teach you a little bit later. Some people will do some more cool-looking slack tricks. This involves pinching the string, throwing it, maneuvering it. You're actually going to learn more of that too. This is your first slack trick, though. It looks like this. Notice how the string itself is kind of slack. It shoots itself around and it whips onto the yo-yo. It's definitely really cool looking, and it's simple elements but very impressive. So what you want to do, you start with a trapeze, like so. You're going to have to pinch the string because in order to get slack, the string needs to get pinched. That's the only way that you're going to get that loop. So what you do is you come off a trapeze, you land it off and use your thumb to hold that. Use your pointer finger to pinch, just like so. Now this is where you want to watch my throw hand. It comes off like this. My throw hand kind of grabs the string. It's almost like you're tossing it. Pretend you have like a little rock in your hand. You're actually going to take that rock and like just throw it over. And notice how the string kind of floated over like that. So you're actually taking the string and throwing it over like so. That loop swings around, and that's what actually comes underneath the yo-yo and hooks it, like so. It lands you in kind of a backwards trapeze, and that's when you roll out of that. So let me show you that again. You trapeze, you jump over like so, pinch with your pointer and thumb, and then take that string and you throw it. Take your pointer and thumb too from your throw hand and aim towards the center of the gap. I'll show you from this angle. Looks kind of like this. You take your hand and you throw towards the yo-yo from that side, and you want it to hook on the inside of the yo-yo like so. Looks just like that. Let me show you again. Looks just like that. When you're in that, once you hit it, you're in basically a trapeze, except your throw hand string is behind the back, so you can't just roll like normal. What you have to actually do is, watch my throw hand. My throw hand stays here like this and follows the yo-yo around as it comes over. So I roll it and the throw hand actually comes over like so. So watch. It rolls and the throw hand follows it around and lands in a trapeze. That slack trapeze, one more time, you whip over, it catches, roll out. Another tip is when you hit it, the second that string hits the yo-yo, drop it. You just drop it, and that's slack trapeze. Practice that, and you'll be impressing.